Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. Two weeks ago, I put a YouTube post for my community when I've reached the number of 100,000 subscribers. Then I received this email from Society Award along with this UPS tracking. So now I'm going to celebrate at the Courtyard by Marriott because I made a reservation as soon as I knew that I would receive an award. So here we are, it's a buffet restaurant, a once-a-month type event which involves a prior reservation. I'll let y'all enjoy the virtual visit of this buffet starting with the dessert side. I've been in many buffets in Pattaya, but this one is beyond the others because it has lobster, Thai cuisine, sushi, tenderloin aka filet mignon, foie gras, and a variety of other fine dishes. If y'all wanted to know if it was good, watch my answer. While I'm on my way to pick up my next dish, I'll let y'all enjoy the virtual visit of this buffet. And that is pretty much all that you can expect. Y'all might be wondering how much for all of this. Well, you actually have to go in group of 3 for 3900 baht, which means €35 per person. So that was it. I celebrated my award February 1st, but my mail arrived the 2nd. Which brings me to show y'all what I did for Candlemas. From that place, Central Mall is right there. This is the back entrance. I did some window shopping first and then I show y'all what I bought for Candlemas. So there you go. I ordered 2 crepes at Olino, Crepe and Tea. Y'all can pay in the front and see the process in the back. So now I'm heading back home to pick up my mail. I've practiced unboxing on camera on my previous scouting video for this moment. I set myself up on this balcony to show y'all my crepe and my award. Opening this, the first things that come to my mind is to thank all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and all of your shares that allow other people to subscribe to my channel. I'm also grateful to all my random viewers for watching my videos entirely. So that was the unboxing of the crepe too. The addition of subscribers going up and the steady views make me want to keep posting every 48 hours. Shout out to all of those that have made this possible. So I hope y'all appreciate this content. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.